In this video, let's look at how Booleans work in lists. Let's say we have a list D as defined here, and we want to check if certain elements of interest are present in the list. Let's say we want to check if the string Java is present inside the list D. This can be done by using the in or the not in operator. And this can be directly printed out using the print function. So the way we do that is we use a string and then we say in list D. So this will return if it is true or false. And now since we have Java, we get the keyword true. Now let's say we want to check something else. For example, let's say is the keyword str in the list. Now if we print this out, it's going to print out false. And similarly, you also have the not in operator. So let me copy this. Let's say you want to check if the number 100 is in the list. This is going to print true because we do have the number 100 in the list. So this is how Booleans work in lists.